Okay, bye. Hey guys! Hey guys! Bring my camera down. Oh, hey guys. I just wanted to tell you. This is going to be the last slime that I'm going to show you. So yeah, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my favorite slime ever. But this one I'm not going to color. Because I like it colored white. It makes poking noises too. So yeah, I just want to show you guys my favorite camera girl. That's her.
Hey guys.
It's my cousin. She's my camera girl for every video. Okay, so let's just show them our pool and our house tour.
Okay.
So first we're gonna start in our backyard. Maybe pause the video.
Cool.
Okay guys, so this is my favorite scene. I just had to go put in some pants. Have my bathing suit bottoms under this because we're going swimming. But yeah, we're gonna get to that in a little bit. But this is my favorite scene. Like when I feel sad, I like to come over here and handle my feelings. But yeah, this is my swing in the backyard. This is my swing because when I get sad or I miss somebody, I come on the street. I either look that way up and mountains or just straight ahead. Or sometimes happen. Mostly, I like to look at the grass. Even though there's some poop over there like that. But yeah. So let's get started with the other part.
Go.
Sorry about that, guys. I'm just having a little bit sickness, but that's okay. So, just so you guys know, it's my last day of school. Today was our last day of school. Yay! But I'm gonna miss all my friends. But it's okay. We'll see them next year. Yay! So this is basically our grandpa's balcony. Yeah. So this is the rug, and this is the door.
Sure.
Bueno, cientos de miles de centroamericanos que viven y trabajan en Estados Unidos con permiso.
That's
Las palabras
him.
del secretario de Seguridad Nacional son alarmantes.
Say hola.
By definition, TPS is
Say
temporary.
hola.
Por definición, el TPS, el estado de protección temporal, no es algo permanente. Es obvio. Pero para quienes han pasado más de 20 años viviendo aquí con TPS, eso suena como una amenaza.
This is his bed. It feels.
César y Juana Trepiño son dos de
Ok.
3.000 nicaragüenses que ahora
This
deben
is
perder la
his
protección.
TV.
A comenzar ya una vida nueva ya y sin nada.
This is
Y
his
ya
clothes and his stuff.
El temiento está fundado en que durante su reciente visita a Haití, el secretario de Seguridad Nacional
Gracias.
anunció que los haitianos intentan su-
Pero sí, sorry guys, I decided to speak Spanish. But this is one of our dogs. Come here, Hallie. This is Hallie. She's an old lady-ish. She's like a teen. She has super. I love you too. This is our dog. So I'm going to go. This is her. My camera, girls. I'm gonna go show you my pit bull. Come on. So this is my dog. He's only 4 or 5. I have no idea. But yeah, he likes a lot of tummy rubs. His name's Gray. But he could do some tricks. Let's see if we can find his ball. Gray, where's your ball? Come on, boy. Let's go. But he's mostly a little bit of a tiny lady. But he does like to play fetch a lot. Okay, guys, so I found his ball. Let's go over here. Come on, Gray. Good boy, Gray. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Excuse me, Gray.
No, you can't make it.
Hey, Gray, be careful, boy. Okay, so this is his ball. When I bounce it, he likes to grab it. So look it, this is one trick. Well, I think this is a trick. Okay, Gray, sit. Up, up, down, up, down, side, side. Okay, so look it. Gray, give me your paw. Other paw. Shake. Good boy. Other paw. Other paw. Right. Other paw. Other paw. Come on. Give me your other paw. Great, give me your paw. Give me your paw now. Great. Other paw. No. Other paw. Good boy. Kissy. Kissy. Great kissy. Mwah. I didn't give him a kiss. Yeah. This is basically his routine for him to play fetch hungry. Come on, Greg. Greg.
Oh.
Okay, guys, so we went through a little rough time with Greg. Yeah, so we're just going to show him. So he'll run and go fetch the ball, but he will not give it back. Okay, give me a ball. Drop it. See, he's not a good listener, but that's okay. Because he's just a baby, and he's still getting started with all his baby stuff. He might still be teasing, but who knows? So I'll see you guys right now. Oh, hey guys, didn't see you guys there. But yeah, so yeah. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. It's almost the end of the video, but I wanted to tell you guys something. Just so you guys know, this is a collab route with 7 Perfect Angels. Thank you guys, because you guys inspired me, and I'm starting to go to gymnastics now, so thank you. Glimmer Life Fox, she's going to show you how to make edible school supplies. Timmy Tomato, he's going to show you how to make an edible Disneyland castle. So yeah. But yeah, I'm about to go swimming right now. But yeah. Oh, we almost forgot to show you in the inside. So let's go. Oh, we almost forgot to show you her baby girl. Baby. So this is baby.